Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all. This is Mama Akram as you know me, and this is Iqbal Virtual Academy. Please subscribe our channel for getting more videos. It will help you a lot for your computer related physics or English a lot. So today we're going to discuss some common computer abbreviations. Abbreviation we can also call it acronyms. We have discussed 3 parts of it, and now it is our lecture 4 or part 4 of computer abbreviations and acronyms. So let's go. HTML Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS Hypertext Transport Protocol Secure. It is like HTTP, but it is secure, more secure than HTTP. It is HTTPS, okay? IEEE Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. IGP Interior Gateway Protocol. IM Instant Message. ISP Internet Service Provider. JPEG Joint Photographic Expert Group. JRE Java Runtime Environment. FXP File Exchange Protocol. KB Kilobyte. KBPS Kilobytes per second. LAN Local Area Network. LCD Liquid Crystal Display. Thanks a lot for watching. It was Iqbal Virtual Academy. Like, subscribe and share our channel. Also click the bell icon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.